Hey there, welcome to the A to Z YouTube Analytics course. I'm your instructor for this course. My name is Vova Evan and I'm an active seller on Amazon and a full-time YouTuber. So in this course, I'm gonna teach you all the A to Z process and step and everything about YouTube Analytics. I'm gonna show you how to use the data that YouTube gives you in order to grow your channel, to get more views, to get more subscribers, and if you have a business behind your YouTube, to grow your business. And this is gonna be done in a fully transparent mode using my channel. You're seeing it on the screen right now. And as you can see, these are my numbers. This is my channel. You can find me on YouTube as Vova Evan if you wanna see more of who I am and what I do. And I have a business on YouTube. I do affiliate marketing there and I also earn money from revenue. Also, I promote different courses and generally, I really love this. So I'm extremely happy that I've created this course for you. In the course, we're gonna go through the analytics of your YouTube channel, or generally my YouTube channel actually, and on my real example based on real data. This is fully transparent course. You will see analytics on a channel level, you will see analytics on a video level, and you will see analytics on mobile channel level. You're gonna see analytics on mobile video version, and you're gonna dive deep with me into the advanced analytics of the channel. So for example, we're gonna cover all of this page. I'm gonna show you exactly what these graphs mean, how to read these graphs, how to get those green marks here in order to grow your channel. Everything is step by step with tons of gold nuggets. Everything is my real experience. And that's what we're gonna do. And as well, advanced mode, where we're gonna go through all this page where usually people are afraid of it because it's too much data for them. But I will make it easy for you, I promise, in this course. So hopefully you're gonna enjoy it. So I do really call to you, come join the course of the YouTube Analytics. I will do my sincere best for you, and my happiness is your success. So whenever you finish the course, I would be happy if you leave me a honest and sincere review so I can see if I was able to help you or not. So come join the course today, join me inside. I promise to do my best for you. I'm available for you all the time. I answer questions daily, so I will answer all of your questions and help you grow on YouTube. May you have a great life. Join today and let's create something awesome.